Valley Forge to show you what we're on with today. Big shout out to Martin Wellock, the original Bob Swift metal lover. Big shout out to him. Got 50x10, 2 metres long, plain bar. Gonna whack it in this machine over here. What we do, press tool. These are going to form as arches for the top of drive gates. That's just crushing that and forming that into the shape of an arch top quietly away. Doing a load of them if it stops, so there it is, there, like that. So you've got 2 of them for your gates. And then what we're on with also, one of them crazy mad gates like we've done before, but just doing some different designs. And what we've got here is few 16mm points. You know, we've put them in machine. I'm just going to roll that round. Bit of a curl on that, just so it fits over that little 6mm pin. So I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to bend that round quietly away. Sticking back in oven, gas mark 6. And then I'm going to go up onto the next side, give it 80, and I've got a 12mm to a 16mm pin, and that goes over that, like thus. Just get the hammer, push that, and then I'm going to wrap him round like that. And get that. That comes out like that, and then put him back in oven again. What we've got there is the next jig, 16mm to a 30mm. And we're just going to put that on that there, pull that round. And there form them, like that. And what we do, bang them into gates like this over here, you know. So it's got a nice fancy looping top coming down here into the bottom of the gate. Or you could make them into slides. That's a Bob Swift gate. We up Swift and Swallows, that's done, that's going downstairs. So you got similar job like that, you can make it into a curtain pole then just by putting that on there. Bit of a tack, shut your eyes, a bit of a bench there for another customer. But what I want to say is, wife got me this last week from my #1 fan, Miss Kate Humble. She's a lovely lady too, Ryan. Metal lover Bob Swift. Love Kate, she got a pretty face. I'll give her a kiss. Bob Swift. See ya!